Day, the big day, the big day. Here it is. I'm gonna make my final car payment. I'll pay the car off. It's been a long time coming. The importance of having good credit and paying your bills on time. So I already made a payment last night. I've been paying like little at a time, little at a time. So last night I paid 400. You can see right there it's 405 pending, which leaves it at like $2,200 left. And I'm going to, so I'm gonna go ahead. I already know how much is left to pay. So I'm going to, it's 2,600 left to pay. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, if it lets me, it's loading up. But yeah, this is gonna be my final payment. How much you wanna pay today? Let me just see. So I'm already current. It says I'm current. What is it at? This is it, guys. This is it. I think it's like 2205 left to pay. Because that 400 hasn't went through yet. It's 2600, 400. Just take 400 away from 2600. That leaves it 22. So this is it. Little extra. This is it. I'm doing this for my debit right here. Today's total payment. Let me go back because they added these little fees. So let me go back to, right. All right, here it is. Debit. From here for my business account. Wait a minute. And over time, it builds memory as the work happens. Claude knows here that what it just pushed affects launch marketing. Wait a minute. Okay. I think I'm messing this up. Hold on. Let me do this. 2206. It has its own account and its own okay. Claude has access to the yes. 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 Got it. Contract information, an engineering channel, it has code base. But if you tag Claude in legal channels and code base, it won't. Not because it's being polite, but because it literally cannot see it. Memory respects the same boundaries, so what it learned in a private channel or a DM stays there. Go. And just to repeat, Claude has its own account, so every credential used is logged. Tagging in Claude has changed how I work and how our teams at Anthropic work. Just add Claude to one channel, bam, and see what happens. Paid it off. Let us know what you think. Paid off my car payment. I'm done. I have no more car payment for right now. Paid it off. God is good. God is good. God is good. See that? So it says you have two pending payments, 22 and then 405. So it's total of 2600 I paid off. And then I paid off some more last week. Kids, it's important. It's important to make good money. It's important, young people. It's important to make good money. Pay your debts off. Keep your credit good. If you take away from anything in this video, keep your credit good, make good money. Keep your credit good, make good money. Keep your credit good, make good money. I showed you proof of me paying off my car, the final payment. I'm showing you proof. Proof. I paid $3,000 within a week. I had the money to do it. I worked hard. I saved my money. I managed my money properly. This is what you don't hear on YouTube. It's not quick get rich schemes. This is why I said hustler culture is not dead. You're gonna have to have live a lifestyle of hustle. I'm showing you proof. I'm showing you proof. Work hard, save your money, keep your credit good. That's all I got for you guys. Riding with Nate. My motto: go out and be blessed and be a blessing to others. I'm out.